Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. It's been a while and thought I'd make a quick haul video. I went to the flea market today and a garage sale and an estate sale. And let me show you what I got. Okay, first off I got this knife sharpener, Work Sharp. It's a kin onion version of the Work Sharp knife sharpener. And I got this for 10 bucks. And they normally go for, you know, over 100, 120 or maybe more. Good deal, it's working. I got new belts for it. And I'm looking at some videos and I'm gonna start using it today sometime. So I'm looking forward to that. Alright, next. Alright, and I got this little beauty here for 5 bucks at the estate sale. All steel construction, octagon neck. It's got the Cooper Tools logo here, plumb solid steel. Cooper Tools, that means this is from 1981 to 2010 was the era that it was made in. It'll clean up nice. Okay, then I got another plumb hammer, very similar to the other one, but this one just says plumb on it here, and it was 5 bucks, not 10 bucks. Rubber handle, kind of cushioned. I don't know the date on this. It looks maybe like it could be from the 70s. I don't know. What do you guys think? And we got this Craftsman ball peen hammer, octagon neck on both sides here. Let's see here. Scooch in real close here. 38465. And what is that? 15 ounces? 13 ounces? I can't read it. Made in USA. Still got the barcode there. Craftsman. That was a buck. Okay, the wrenches are here. I got all these wrenches that I'm about to show you were 50 cents each. This one looks like it says SN Tools. Asahi. Just picked it up. I don't know. I'm not that familiar with that brand. And a little Yamaha motorcycle wrench. This one's a combo wrench. It's an old Ford wrench. Kind of hard to make out, but the Ford logo's right there. And we got an Armstrong open end. Carrington Jaguar. Open end. Barcelo Buffalo. Little Williams open end here. Another little SN wrench. Single open end. And this was at the bottom of my backpack. I don't remember ever picking this up, but let's see what it is. Can't really, there's something there, but I can't read it. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. Bye.